When the real estate bubble here in Florida burst a couple of years ago and values started to rapidly decline, we found more and more of our clients coming to us seeking advice on how to either avoid foreclosure or to work something out in the process of their foreclosure in order to save their home. We decided in order to provide a real value-added service to our client, we needed to bring in someone who had experience in this area. We were lucky enough to find Rich Marquez, who, although not a lawyer, has spent the last 10 years in the mortgage brokerage arena, both on the lender side and over the last several years exclusively working on mortgage workouts. And it has a very successful track record, and he is now part of the Lanigan and Lanigan team.
When a client retains Lanigan and Lanigan, you're giving yourself legal representation to engage and go up to bat against a mortgage company. Mortgage companies have legal representation. You should as well. Our staff is experienced in processing and structuring each individual file, which allows us to aggressively pursue several different options that are available, such as rate reductions, extensions of the term, principal balance forgiveness, principal balance deferrals, and in certain cases, principal balance settlements. There are several different options that are available to homeowners, and we present to the lender many different workout solutions. So we're not applying for assistance with your standard HAMP or government modifications. We're aggressively negotiating with the lender all the possible workout options, including offering our own suggestions as well. My experience in the mortgage industry makes me an expert in fighting foreclosure for our clients. We specialize in renegotiating the current terms of our client's mortgage. Prior to engaging our client's lender, our staff structures each file in order for us to aggressively negotiate all the possible outcomes available to our homeowners to reach a favorable outcome. One thing we know for sure is that there isn't a lender in a country that wants to foreclose on a homeowner. Lenders have already foreclosed on thousands of properties across the country, and they're actually sitting in inventory, and it's very difficult for those lenders to sell those properties. A normal foreclosure process takes anywhere from 12 to 36 months. It's costly, it's time consuming, and in most cases, the lender ends up with a property that is worth less than what was owed on a mortgage. And most of these properties end up getting auctioned off for pennies on a dollar. So what we see in most cases is the lender stands more to lose if they go down a foreclosure avenue than our clients do. This is why all lenders are open to negotiating and trying to reach a workout in which it keeps the client in the home, making the mortgage payments that the client can actually afford. We offer a huge advantage to our clients when applying for assistance. Our staff of experts structure each file prior to contacting the lender, which allows us to aggressively negotiate all the possible options that are available to homeowners for assisting them on mortgage relief. The average lender is going to offer their standard workout options. And in certain cases, that's going to fit a small amount of homeowners that qualify for those particular types of programs, when there's many other options available that we can pursue. Some of these options are extensions of the term of the loan. We've been successful at negotiating 30-year mortgages and having them extended to 40 or even 50-year loans. We've also been successful at getting interest rate reductions to as low as 2%. We've also been very successful with principal balance reductions, which help lower our clients' mortgage balance closer to current market value of the actual home.